Already you can tell.
That's terrible. Right here is choking you out. That's crazy.
Oh yeah.
The low nose?
Yeah. I'll do the lows. That's
Oh, you gotta do it well. Get in, I close the door on you, or you was in on time. ZV6 15s, 4s AP93s, a boatload of mids and highs. That's what we party with.
down for sound.
Down for sound.
Hey, my boy got that.
Yeah. You want to try one?
You want to see
I know it did that one time. I was like, oh, I'm about to get out. That's crazy. You did the demo, man.
It's crazy how loud those things are. I haven't even turned the surround sound on either.
Yeah, I know. I don't think these were on this demo.
Not very much.
Had to Alright guys, if y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.